Problem number 10 is asking find the slope of the tangent line to r theta equals 1 at theta equals pi. So we need to find slope of tangent line. So no matter what it is, if you are looking for slope of tangent line, you need to see what is dy dx. Is that true? So dy dx we can do two different ways. One is converting this equation to Cartesian form and then take derivative. But in this case you do not have sine cosine theta. So then we can say, what is my x? X equals r cosine theta. We get 1 over theta cosine theta. This is x. Okay, we keep in terms of theta. We cannot find exactly the Cartesian form. And then y equals, and since we have dy dx, we can use the parametric form of derivatives, and that is the idea. Y equals r sine theta. So r is 1 over theta, and then you have sine theta. So you got x and y. Now to get our dy dx, we have to find like this. Dy dx is actually the slope of the tangent line, isn't it? And this one is dy d theta over dx d theta. So that is the idea. All right. So let me take some space in here, and remember that my theta is pi. So we need to find dy dx at pi. So now dy dx is coming out as dy d theta. So find dy d theta. This is x and this is y. So dy d theta will be the derivative of this. Isn't it a product rule in here? So product rule. I'm keeping 1 over theta, and the derivative of sine theta will be cosine theta. Plus, and then I'm keeping my sine theta. Derivative of 1 over theta will be 1 over theta squared. All right, divided by dx du theta. So dx d theta will be from here. Keep 1 over theta. Cosine will be negative sine theta. Plus, so I'm taking cosine, I'm keeping cosine theta, and the derivative of 1 over theta will be negative 1 over theta squared. All right. So we got our dy dx, and you're looking for slope of tangent line when theta equals pi, and then you can just replace theta equals pi, and then you will be done. So it will be 1 over pi, and then cosine pi plus sine pi negative 1 over pi squared, divided by 1 over pi negative sine pi plus cosine pi 1 over pi squared. All right. So now you know that sine pi is 0, isn't it? So that term goes away. This term goes to 0 because sine pi is 0. So then finally we end up with 1 over pi, and cosine pi is negative 1. Cosine pi is negative 1, and then you have another negative there, so negative 1 over pi squared, right? If you simplify further, you get negative pi. Further simplification will give you negative pi, and you are done. So that is the slope of the tangent line.